Hello everybody, and today we are playing Teardown. Yes, I just downloaded this game like 20 minutes ago and I cannot wait to play it. As you can see, I just enabled a mod and now I'm going to drive into a zombie in Teardown. Ooh! Yeah! Ah! Ow! Let me go into creative mode and get back. Yeah, great. I can't. How do I get back up? I can't fly! I cannot fly. Help me. Please, somebody help me. How do I get up? There we are. That was not working for some reason. Anyways, just gotta get up. My eyes hurt. And then, yeah. Let's go, come on. While I'm still there. Oh no! I'm stuck! Come on! Yeah, okay, okay. Just come on. Yes! There we go. Oh my god. There we go. There is nothing stopping us! Ah! Alright, let me get out. I really wish I could go faster. But you know, yeah, as you can see. Quick! Okay, so, oh my god, get out. So, let's go find another vehicle. I'm gonna, in the next minute, I'm just gonna end the video, alright? No cat cut this time, because it's a bit annoying sometimes. Woo! Ah! Ow. Ow. It's still working, but, you know, let's get out. Wait. Oh wait, never mind. Really wish I could fly. You know what? I'm gonna get a fly mod. So like I can fly everywhere, you know, instead of this stupid thing. Alright, in the next 20 seconds I'm gonna end the video. I mean 10. Yeah, 10 seconds. So we're gonna have to go quick. Oh man, the video's gonna end now, but I'm just gonna do one more really quickly. As you've heard, no cat cut this time. Hey guys, you should like and subscribe to my video. It really helps. And my goal is to get to 100 subscribers. But I don't think I'm gonna get that goal anytime soon. Well, goodbye guys, and I hope you have a great day. I wonder what that sound is.